Good morning, good morning. Today we're taking a look at XRP and the Sigma coin. So, all right, starting off with XRP, we are continuing our breakdown that we expected. We have our two different pathways that we can use. We have this one, which takes us down to the 90-cent region, and we have this guy that gets us only down into the 30-cent region, $1.30. So we're just kind of watching and waiting to see how this plays. Some interesting things to note is we are still red, obviously, and in addition to that, we have a rejection of our fast indicator of this line. So if we expand this view here, we can see that we were hoping that we were going to get a breakthrough, but we ended up having a rejection off that area, and that rejection, as you can see from these prior moves, resulted in breakdown, right? So we'll continue to monitor that, but not looking like we're going to be seeing an immediate bounce, which is fine because we're in cash and we're just waiting to see if we can get down in here or down in here. So we'll just wait and watch at this point, but I'm still suspecting that we're going to get down into this 618 backtest at 91 and the deviation tag that we should need to do at least once, probably, considering how many times we hit that deviation up here at the top. So all right, so that's what we got for the basic time frame. Zooming in, same story. Just waiting and watching to see how far down we're going to move into this correction. And jumping over to crypto fear, still fearful, extremely much so. So I mean, we're getting near the bottom, but you can see that we could end up doing like a double bottom, like right here, before price action ends up recovering, and it does set out lower low. That could be the similar behavior that occurs for where we are now. Liquidity, this is a good thing. We end up having here on our weekly time frame a liquidity that shows that we are tabbing the liquidity to the downside in two different pockets here, 30s and 38s. Excuse me. And sweeping this liquidity to the downside first before liquidity to the upside is bullish. So this is actually a good, healthy kind of backtest. With that backtest, though, Sigma is resulting in a pullback. So here's your 12-hour. We have a reset now on the 12-hour. Can stall out there for a while, as you can see through this kind of price action, and we get a deviation down. Now we're just waiting to see, can we get some bouncing to happen here. So it's just kind of waiting for XRP to play out, and of course more buyers step in. So we had some big sells come in from some wallets that are exiting the project. So all right, so that's basically, long story short, we end up having a just a long overall process where it's going to take a while for it to just kind of play out here, and the hopeful is that we should see this break back up above the region with a wave one, and then like maybe an ABC flat here of some kind, but hopefully something comes soon. So we'll be checking in on that. We have liquidations to the downside still tag at the 130s, and finally the overall XRP coin itself is working into that region in this box area that we expected a sweep to come into, so into the 130s. So all right, so far so good. It's exactly what we planned for, and now we'll just see, do we bounce here or down here? So all righty, we'll check in tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching.